life were gone. You said you'd comfort me in times like these, and now I need you. Now I need you. And you are gone. So I am sitting here wanting memories to teach me to see the beauty in the world from my own eyes. Since you gone and left me, it's been so little gypsy, but I know I saw it clearly through your eyes. Now the world outside is such a cold and bitter place. Here inside I have few things that will console. And when I try to hear your voice above the storms of life, then I remember that I was whole. So I am sitting here wanting memories to teach me to see the beauty